What's up, everybody? Got 6 Prizm Football Value Packs. Ordered these from Target a while back. Just had them sitting here marinating. Hoping we got a silver CJ Stroud in one of these. Or a red, white, and blue, or a green, or something. I figured I better hurry up and open these in case I pull a good Anthony Richardson before he stinks it up this year and his cards tank. I've been gambling like that, dude. Kamara silver, Josh Allen green. Who we got? TJ Watt green emergent. Elijah Dotson. Jerome Ford and Pacheco. We got Breece Hall portals. Pretty cool. Pack number 2. Michael Wilson rookie. Derwin James silver, go Knowles. Throw that one in the PC. Albani Kanda. I'm gonna color match. Micah Parsons hype. Cool looking card. Drake London on the red, white, and blue. Go Falcons. Another PC card. Michael Pittman. Man, that'd be sick if this dude would like ball out or something. I don't even know if he's still on the team. No, he got in trouble. Kenneth Walker. All right. Two packs. No top quarterback yet. Derwin. Josh Downs, rookie. Xavier McKinney. Russ. Kenneth Walker green on the emergent. Kyler. Jalen Waddle and McCaffrey. Debo Samuel prismatic. These cards look sick. I just wish I could, get the players I want. Like CJ Stroud. I wouldn't mind a Bijan. Any of the top rookie quarterbacks, of course. Will Levis, Bryce Young, Anthony Richardson. Really want Stroud, though. Brissy, looks like somebody tried to eat the top of that card. Tariq Woolen. Ocho Cinco. Lil Jordan Humphrey. TJ Watt, green hype. Amari Cooper. Ooh, what Falcon we got? Yikes. Yikes. Van Jefferson. I don't even know if I'm going to put that one in the PC or not. I don't know if Van Jefferson has done enough. And he's a Gator. All right. Let's do these base cards. Skronsky. Ooh, Texan. A silver Texans rookie? Please tell me Stroud's wearing a red helmet. If we pull a silver Stroud out of a value pack. Oh, you mother. I can't be mad about a silver Tank Dell, I guess. But man, I was hoping that was a Stroud. Still a dope card. Pretty nice. Prizm just looks so clean. Alright. Kylan Granson. I have watched a ton of football, and I can honestly say I've never heard of this guy. Jalen Hurts hype. Lamar. Chandler Jones. Can we get a rookie? Tyler Scott. Not the guy we wanted. Brock Purdy. Emergent. Alright, we got one more pack. Alright, we got a prismatic McCaffrey. That's pretty cool. Witherspoon, red, white, and blue. I like that. This dude's from not far from where I live. Pretty cool pulling his cards. Prime time. Cam Akers, the Seminole. Was it two Seminoles in a row? Look at that. If only we were still a good team. Y'all don't be talking about Florida State in the comments. I ain't trying to hear it. What is that? DeJuan Johnson? Is that silent? I don't know. TJ Hawkinson. Well, not the one we wanted, but rookie quarterback. Njoku, Nick Folk, and a Mahomes fireworks. Here's our two best cards. Silver Tank Dell, red, white, and blue DTR. Which really isn't bad. They're just value packs. They're like, what, $15, $16 a piece, something like that. Can't really expect anything too crazy out of them. Hopefully we'll have better luck with the blasters and megas and hangers. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, help your boy out so I can keep making these videos. Appreciate y'all. Peace.